This is my first ever acrylic pour on canvas. Of course, I couldn't start off with anything small. I chose a 3-foot by 5-foot piece for my living room. And I decided to use chalk paint as the base and then acrylic over it. I wanted to play around with matte and shinier finishes, and I think it worked really well. I would have loved to do this with resin, but I just don't have the capability to do it right now. Of course, I made the beginner's mistake of not preparing enough paint. I wanted this to be a puddle pour, but I did that and I didn't love how it looked. I was really going for the look of lapis, which might have gotten away from me a little bit, but I do love it. And there's all these interesting textures when you get closer. And it was really fun. It probably only took me about 20 minutes after I got my first layer of chalk paint down, and I think it's really beautiful. So this is my lapis inspiration piece, and I'm really happy with it. I would love to know how some of your acrylic pourings have gone lately, and whether you've ever been inspired by natural stone.